Okay, today's video is going to be on a couple of things. One is to answer the question that often gets asked, that obviously gets told to people, that the Mawboards, you know, struggle to work if the wall isn't square. So as you can see, we've exaggerated that one there. And we're going to show it makes no difference, but at the same time, show you why the different, you know, the 3mm pipe finder, because of the hole sizes and that lot, it's more for these sort of things, the intricate ones. Other than that, keeping the bag safe, because obviously, you know, 3mm, it can go underneath arcs as well, but the 5mm is a lot sturdier. But I just thought we'll kill the two birds with one stone. Start with this one. You can use a smaller template that comes with the set. You've even got a 3-inch one there somewhere, but you know, this will get you more closer quarter cuts. So let's start off with the answer to whether they work if the wall's out. Now, hopefully that answers that question. So we can now move. So, next one for today's demo will be the architrave. Obviously the more intricate of all cuts. So you use the 3mm pipe finder because it's, you know, it's got these smaller holes that can be used with a biro. So once you've got the tile on there, and another one of the tricks that the Mawboards introduced to the game was masking tape, you know, for holding tiles together and seeing the marks when you're doing it. This is a technique that's pretty much taken off and everyone uses today, but all come from the videos that we've been sharing in the past. So there we go. Right, what we're going to do here is just quickly mark some important points with the biro. That's going to be the drop back there. Another one will be this tiny little add-on of a 3mm strip on there, you know, just to make it more difficult, really, just to prove the point. So I'm just going to put one there as well. Now I'm going to start making my marks. I'm going to use my smaller Mawboard template just to get this little one. It's going to be a tiny little one there. This one will get that mark there. And this one will get that. Next up, start making small marks. So, the little dot. Another little dot there. Now we're going to get that tiny little drop back. Now incidentally, I mean, before the Mawboards come along and this method, the only other way that was taught was actually tile on tile. There wasn't even use of the square or anything like that. You used to just use the tile. So these are all the little tips and tricks that over the years we've been sharing with lads that, you know, pretty much get taught practically everywhere, I think. Nothing has ever come close to what we're doing here today. So now I'm just going to quickly get two other points of the architrave that are important. Second one is there. Now the more dots you do, obviously the more accurate it'll become. The reason why this is so accurate is because of this cutout. All other scribing tools usually have a point both sides, but if you have a point, imagine that, you're going to go past there, so the smart is that. Just that little simple thing there. But it can give you the ability to just link up the dots you know, and create an absolutely spot on accurate scribe of what you want there. So now we're just going to connect them all up. Okay, we'll see how this one goes. That's probably about as intricate as you're going to get. Ready? So that's pretty much tiniest little tweakies. Now that is about as accurate as you're ever going to get, isn't it? It's the other method, isn't it? You just drop it back one, and on this one, you know, you don't need the other pipe finder. You can literally just use your 5mm one, because I've dropped it back 3. I want to make a mark on the 3. Find my stabby mark. Push her up. Buttercup. Scribe her in. Bang her in. And there you have it. Okay, so yeah, rainbow works when it's all pistol square. 3mm, get your intricate stuff. You know, 5mm more solid, isn't it? So you're not going to break it as easy, whereas you can obviously break these ones, but you know, I've had some that have lasted a while. So anyway, so that's today's video. There you go.